going on, you guys? We're unboxing Sams Ariat boots today. So this is the starting of our unboxing videos that we're going to be start doing on the channel. There's going to be a lot more to come. Come in a beautiful Ariat box. Very well crafted, I can tell. Very well wrapped, holy cow. Yeah. That's really, they really wanted them to come safely. Those are nice. What's inside there? Just a little folded insert. Keep it well, oh, something else in there, some plastic shit. That's a microfiber, or it's like microfiber for water. Little sticker on the bottom there, ladies and gentlemen. Came via UPS today. Very fast shipping. What was the website you bought them off of?
Sheplers.
Sheplers.com?
Yeah.
Sheplers.com. We'll have a link in the description for where he bought the boots. And what boots he has right here in here.